How to edit and remove green screen on CapCut. First of all, launch the CapCut application. Now tap on New Project. Now from your device, you have to choose an image or video as your background image. Here I will just choose a photo. Tap on Add. Now once you have added your background image or picture, what you have to do is navigate to the menu bar at the bottom of this editing piece and then tap on Overlay from the menus given there. Tap on Add Overlay. Now add your green screen pictures or video that you want to edit. So here is my green screen picture. With the help of your fingertip, you can resize this picture and place it wherever you like. Once you are done with that, now in order to sync or in order to match the duration of the background with the video, you can drag your timeline and drag the images to the starting of the background image, and you can do the same with your background image as well. Drag and make their duration equal. So once you have done that, tap on your green screen image. After that, swipe the menu bar at the bottom of this interface to your left. Keep on swiping and tap on Remove Background or Remove BG. Then from here, choose Chroma Key. Now there you have a dragger at the interface, so you have to drag to the green color that you want to remove. Here you can see the green color is now removed. Now you have to decrease the intensity or increase the intensity till the green color gets completely removed. So increase your intensity and you can apply a little bit of shadow as well. Once done, tap on the turn icon and now the green screen is completely removed. And if you want to place it somewhere, you can do that with the help of your fingertip. Once done, you can simply export this image or video that you have added or edited recently on CapCut. And that's how you can edit and remove green screen on CapCut. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.